Today, I want to talk about building the future with decision matters, and I want to talk about this kind of insights and future trends as well for this year. I want to focus on how we solve the customer's problem and less about ourselves. So I want to start off with something huge because for a lot of us, we know about AGI or artificial general intelligence. I think it basically means that we want to have AI that's achieving the level of intelligence comparable to human and also maybe even surpass human level. So we'll look at this kind of research right from Google DeepMind. AI is able to achieve the level 5 superhuman level. For example, in AlphaFold, is able to achieve a lot and performs better than most human beings, right? And then we also know about AlphaGo, which AI is able to do better than even a world champion in Go chess. However, in the general sense or AGI, is actually much less. There's a huge gap between general AI as well as the model field AI. So in order to achieve this kind of thing, we need to understand how, what are the key components in achieving AGI. So citing another paper, how far are we from AGI? This year we are seeing a lot of focus on reasoning, and there's a lot of other components as well. For example, perception, metacognition, memory. And today's we focus a lot on reasoning. For example, ChatGPT, we have OpenAI with O1, O3, so DeepSeek R1, Qwen, QWQ, all these kind of models that we are seeing today. So research institutions and enterprises are focusing on reasoning models as well. So in order to dive deeper, we need to understand that the key component in reasoning is RL, or reinforcement learning. So this is one visualization of the DeepSeek R1 from the Technical Pro paper. So there's two step RL process, and we need to understand that this RL is very important for achieving this kind of generalization capability. So reinforcement learning basically means that the model is learning by a reward mechanism. So when it's doing something that it will be rewarded, and if it's doing something wrong, it will be penalized as well. So with this visualization, we can see that over the past 2 years, we focus a lot in supervised fine-tuning, SFT, and we see that generalization, RL is able to achieve a lot in generalization. So supervised fine-tuning, even though it's performing very, very well with even little amount of data, but in terms of generalization, for example, where you see that the data, what is all the distribution, when we see data that is different from what is being thrown on, it's not doing as well. But when you see RL in the blue color one, the gap is very small, so it's able to constantly perform well, whether the data is similar or different from what is being trained on. So we want to focus on what this means for the businesses, right? Because today we focus a lot in agentic system as well. Then when the model is not performing good, maybe we want to focus on training the model to be better as well. So RL can be one key component, and how Bitdeer AI Cloud is able to help you is that we have different, we have different kind of solutions for you in different phases. For example, in experimentation phase, you can use our Jupyter Notebooks, containerization solutions, and then we want to train at scale. You can actually run our distributed training job. Just submit your container image, then you can run on like tens to hundreds to thousands of GPUs just with a click, or with a command line interface. Just enter the command, and then if you want to do deployment, we have like virtual machines, containers as well to support these needs. And then we have powerful support team and customer service so that we can support your needs. And even if you want to do customization, we can support your feature requests as well. So this is overall what we do for to our solution. Sorry. So down here we see that we have the infrastructure level. We have data centers all across the globe. We are basically based in Singapore, but we even have GPUs here in US deployed as well. Then when we look at NVIDIA GPUs, we have H100, H200s, GB200s coming in as well. Then in terms of like high performance computing, we are using DDM solutions as well. So we don't want that data to be the bottleneck of your training. And when we move out, we see that we have other solutions as mentioned just now, the compute storage databases. If you want to perform training, You want to deploy models. You want to make use model as a service. You want to deploy. You want to make use of the workflow. Just drag and drop. And also coming out, we have like different kind of applications on our platform as well.
I'm Louis Xu, head of Bitdeer AI. AI is breathing across various industries, such as manufacturing, healthcare, education, and entertainment, and so on. AI will become an integrated part of business operation, not just in automation, but also in strategic making decision and innovation. We anticipate widespread adoption of AI-driven insight, real-time analytics, and AI-powered adoption across industries. Enterprise needs powerful computing to analyze it and drive efficiently with AI. We see many SMEs face many challenges, such as high computing cost and technical barriers. AI models and applications are getting more complex, and the data is growing fast across industry. So we make AI most efficient and cost-effective, and let the business can focus on their innovation instead of the infrastructure and hardware configuration. I think DDN is the best. DDN data intelligence platform provides high throughput, low latency required by large-scale AI model training, and its robust infrastructure seamlessly integrated with our Bitdeer AI cloud. And this enables us to accelerate AI model training and reduce bottlenecks and optimize our AI workflows. We choose DDN because DDN is the best data intelligence platform. The combination of DDN data intelligence platform and NVIDIA's computing provides the foundation of cutting-edge AI. This enables us to provide end-to-end AI training optimization, from the data ingestion to the GPU processing and the AI development. We aim to transform the high-performance computing by bringing AI computing to everyone, not just big tech. We committed to developing sovereign AI in Singapore by providing the AI infrastructure and building the ecosystem.
We want to have generalized solution, and that basically works very, very well with scaling your computation power as well. And we would like to work closely with DDN on that. And we'd like to thank everyone for your time, and thank you, DDN, as well.